Okay, guys.
So is it secret or not?
Moy News, issue 9. This is going to be pretty good.
Is that a 3 caves? Which one do we go into? The middle one?
Go.
Where's the lamp of no? No! I'm allergic!
Go. How are we supposed to go in?
We're almost there. Good thing there's like a flood in town. Or did we make it? Yeah, I think we made it.
What do you want?
See?
How do we get in?
Follow me.
I thought we were going under the tunnels.
We have to find a way. Hello. Lucy, who's that?
Can't see it.
This is where? Whoa!
What? Dude, it's too high. We have to go over there.
Wait, look, land!
Oh!
Okay, guys, back up a little.
Back up.
Now keep going.
Keep going. Sam, is it what?
I got wet. It's okay. We'll get out of our wet shoes when we get back.
Shut up.
Sorry.
Go!
Shut up. Come on.
Come on, Sebastian! Let's go!
It's so weak.
Come on, Indiana Jones.
No, this is so.
Come on, let's go. We're almost to the
have to jump.
You have to jump?
Yeah.
You have to jump.
Just try.
Go.
Listen.
Almost there.
Oh, water gets stuck in the seat.
How are you supposed to get across?
You can do it.
I don't like doing this.
I can jump that far, you know.
How about you go first then?
Come on, Adrian. You can do it.
And the last one is at home. It's called the wet shoe.
Yeah, clean, dude. Come on.
Alright, let's go.
That clean?
This is clean water, you say?
Pretty clean. Just come on, let's go.
High
Pretty
five.
fresh. We're on the top. Pretty fresh, you know.
Ugh.
At least it doesn't have cool mud.
What's here?
Okay, here's how the rest of it goes.
Don't think it was really fun. What? Wait, did you hear that, guys?
I think we're gonna have to run.
Wait, what's on the other side? We got an adventure on the other side.
I agree. I might have to go alone.
Dude, you have shoes.
Ah, dang it.
No, I can go down. Wait, can I?
Wait, did you see that? Dude, I think there was a monster.
I saw it.
Let's go back.
What? Of course I saw it. We have to find a way. AJ, you guys can just walk in it.
Really?
Yeah,
Come on, what? Do we have to walk in this?
oh, be a man.
How about you do it
Be a man,
then?
one man. Hey, I'm kind of...
You're half man.
There's an explosion underwater.
Alright, let's go.
See, look, there's an explosion
Ugh.
underwater. We're here.
Ugh, it smells like a bunch of butts. Guys, let's go. Keep going. Almost there. What was that? Whoa, dude, look at these. These are ancient, dude. Dude, look at it. Did you see that thing? P. Let's write our initials that we've been here. Go.
Can I write John loves Zoe?
Sure.
Ooh. J. Plus Z. Boom. Okay, now I'll put my initials. S. K.
Hey, give me. Oh, what the? Let's go. Let's go. Hold on, wait. I will too. Hey, hand me one. I'm trying to write my initials. Okay, all done. Let's go. Come on. Go. Run.
Nothing's here.
How do we get across? Dude, look at that. Dude, there's something over there on the other side. It's a monster. Let's go back. Come on.
See, look at that Asian writing.
Okay, everybody. Whoa, watch it. What was that?
I don't know, but I've had it. We're getting out of here.
Okay, ready?
3,
2, 1. Ah! Go, 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 go! 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 Go, go! Come on, guys! You can do it! Go, go, go! What's so bad about eggs? Anyway, run! Go, go, go! How do we... Sam!
Run! Keep going!
Go!
Keep going on our tail! I'll have a tail.
Run! Just run! No time for jokes.
We have to go!
Come on. Let's go. No! Sam! Come on, let's go, let's go.